Times School Ranking East 2026, powered by Femina, is a prestigious education initiative by the Times Group. For more than 6 decades, Femina has been a powerful voice of empowerment, championing ambition, shaping narratives, and creating platforms that inspire progress. This event is designed to identify, recognize, and celebrate excellence in school education across Eastern India. The ranking evaluates schools across key parameters such as academic excellence, leadership, infrastructure, innovation, faculty, and holistic student development. The survey covers schools across West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Assam, making it one of the most comprehensive school ranking exercises. So without much further ado, let's get started this afternoon with a huge round of applause. We'd like to commence with our lamp lighting ceremony, and it's my pleasure to invite our dignitaries to take the stage. We have Saurabh Mukherjee, founder and director, Kolkata Society for Cultural Heritage. I'd also like to invite Raj Nandini Pawar, Femina Miss India 2026, first runner-up. I'd like to request our esteemed dignitaries to do us the honors of the lamp lighting. True symbol of energy, unity, and positivity. What a wonderful start to the afternoon. I would now like to invite Biman Datta, Assistant Vice President and Regional Head East Times Group, to please join us on stage. We would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to our dignitaries for gracing this afternoon. Let's capture the moment, make some memories with a group photograph. It's my pleasure to invite Saurav Mukherjee to please take the stage. A dynamic change maker, Saurav Mukherjee is redefining grassroots development through sustainability and social impact. He's a renowned social entrepreneur, global diplomat, and peace ambassador dedicated to sustainable development, cultural heritage, and community empowerment. As the founder of KSCH and a UN ECOSOC consultative representative, he's a renowned social entrepreneur, global diplomat, and peace ambassador. Saurav Mukherjee, we'd love to hear a few words from you this afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected dignitaries, members of the Times Group, delegates, distinguished educators, school leaders, and ladies and gentlemen. It is truly honored to be here today. I sincerely thank Times Group for inviting me to be a part of this elegant event. So today is this is more than an award ceremony. This is like we are celebrating education today. So the thing is like we need to promote education. The main purpose of this event is like to make education more accessible for the unreachables. Like through my work, I came across with multiple communities. All over the India. So I saw most of the cases like education is not accessible enough. So a good school doesn't just produce high scores. It builds confidence, value, compassion, and also the courage of dream. So in India, moves forward, our education system must continue to encourage creativity and own cultural thinking. So these are the basic things like we need to see or we need to focus on. My heartfelt congratulations to all the award-winning schools and educators. Your dedication is making a real difference for our future. Once again, I would like to thank Times Group for this honor and congratulate each and every winners today. Thank you. My best wishes to all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saurav Mukherjee. Now, it's time to experience the enchanting essence of Bengal's rich folk heritage through a captivating 10-minute Baul music performance. Now, this special segment will feature 5 accomplished Baul artists whose music embodies the timeless philosophy of love, harmony, spirituality, and universal peace. Deeply rooted in the rich cultural heritage of Bengal, Baul music transcends barriers of religion, caste, and social divisions, carrying messages of humanity and coexistence through its simple yet profound lyrics. This cultural presentation is being promoted under the initiative of the Rural Craft and Cultural Hub, supported by UNESCO and the MSME Department, Government of West Bengal. Let's celebrate Bengal's vibrant folk legacy and safeguard its living traditions for our future generations.
Namaskar, Joy Guru.
ऊपर नीचे शानी
নলিন্দানা খেজুর গাছে হাঁড়ি বাঁধো মোর।
খেজুর গাছে হাঁড়ি বাঁধো
ও তুই গুড় খাবি নলিন্দানা 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 গাছে ভাড় বেঁধে দে না বেঁধে দে না গাছে ভাড় বেঁধে দে না বেঁধে দে না বেঁধে দে না খেজুর গাছে হাড়ে বাঁধো খেজুর গাছে হাড়ি বাঁধো ছোট ছোট গাছগুলো ভাই কচি বলে বাদিও না বাদিও না, বাদিও না, বাদিও না। ছোট ছোট গাছগুলো ভাই কচি বলে বাদ দিও না
ছোট ছোট গাছগুলো ভাই কচি বলে বাঁধিও না।
ছোট ছোট গাছগুলো ভাই কচি বলে বাদিও না বাদিও না বাদিও না বাদিও না ছোট ছোট গাছগুলো ভাই কচি বলে বাদিও না
ছোট ছোট গাছগুলো ভাই কচি বলে বাঁধিও না।
ওরা তিন টোপে ভাই ছাপিয়ে যাবে আবার তিন টোপে ভাই ছাপিয়ে যাবে রসে ভরা নলিন্দানা 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 গাছে ভাড় গাছে ভাড় গাছে ভাড় বেঁধে দে না বেঁধে দে না বেঁধে দে না গাছে ভাড় বেঁধে দে না বেঁধে দে না বেঁধে দে না খেজুর গাছে হাড়ি বাঁধো খেজুর গাছে হাড়ি
খেজুর গাছে
বাঁধো
পাহাড়ে পাহাড়ে না কথা কাজে খুঁজে না।
তাই নাকি বটে বটে
পাহাড়ে পাহাড়ে না কথা কাজে খুঁজে না। যারটে তা
বটে
যারটে তা কিছু কিছু ঘটে। যারটে তা কিছু কিছু ঘটে ও ঘটে রে বতরে পিরিতের ফুল ফুটে। বতরে পিরিতের ফুল ফুটে। পিনারে পালাসে মন পালাবো পালাবো মন। ও পিনারে পালাসে মন পালাবো পালাবো মন। মেয়েটি ইন্দুরে ঢোল কাটে। মেয়েটি চাতক চায়া নিশি
আর যে আছে কালো শোষী
আমি হব বলে
আমি হব বলে
আমি হব বলে চরণ দাসী
আমি হব বলে চরণ দাসী মিলন হবে কত দিনে ও মিলন হবে কত দিনে আমার মনের মানুষের সনে আমার মনের মানুষের সনে মিলন হবে কত দিনে ও মিলন হবে কত দিনে আমার মনের মানুষের সনে আমার মনের মানুষের সনে
ওই রূপ যখন সরানো হয়,
থাকে না লোক লজ্জার ভার
ওই রূপ যখন সরানো হয়,
থাকে না লোক লজ্জার ভার
আবার লালন ফকির
লালন ফকির
আবার লালন ফকির ভেবে বলে
সদাই আবার লালন ছেড়ে দেব না।
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have here with us today one of Bollywood's finest actors who redefines storytelling with every single role. Now, honing his craft at the prestigious Barry John Acting Studio and later refining it at the New York Film Academy, he emerged as a powerhouse of intensity and depth. Now, his breakthrough arrived with the lead in Laila Majnu in 2018, a role that ignited critical acclaim and built a devoted cult following. Now, his stardom soared through acclaimed digital projects. His versatility shines in tackling complex characters across thrillers and romances, like in The Girl on the Train and Kala, earning him 6 coveted awards and 13 nominations. Now, with a serious commitment to his craft, he continues to redefine intense storytelling, proving that true artistry defies conventional paths. He is now going to enchant us with his next project along with Imtiaz Ali, and we just cannot wait for it. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, make some noise for Avinash Tiwari. Welcome, Avinash Tiwari. Wonderful to have you here. We would really like for you to say a few words for our audience this afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think this is the right space to actually stand up and say that, yes, we need to educate and we need to reach all. A few of my dignitaries here were saying this. But what we teach and what we educate is something that really needs more focus at this point of time. And like I said, I'm no one here standing to give these details to you because all of you are much better placed to know these things. But sometimes when a third person from the outside comes and says something, maybe we are able to look at it differently. And that's what I hope to do. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And we'd like to request Avinash to please present the first set of awards for us. Okay. So we're going to begin with CISCE Board in Central Kolkata. The #1 rank secured by St. Xavier's Collegiate School, Kolkata. Congratulations. To move into the next award, which is for La Martiniere for boys for securing #1 rank. International curriculum. In rank 1, RP Goenka International School, Kolkata. All right. So, to join Avinash Tiwari on stage, let me invite Saurav Mukherjee. All right. So the next award is for CBSE School in Howrah and securing #1 rank, Asian International School. Congratulations. Let's have Srimati Nidhi Sharma, Director, Srimati Simran Sanghera, Principal, Srimati Nitu Dev, Headmistress, Saganik Dey, Deputy Head Boy, and Ratotrika Mandal, Head Girl. Please join us on stage. Up next, we have CISCE School in Howrah and rank 1, Agrasen Boys School. Congratulations. Let me invite on stage Sri S.N. Dioralia, Chairman, Abhira Das, Principal, Anamika Basudas, the Vice Principal, Academics, Devika Sarkar, Vice Principal, Co-Curricular, and Team Agrasen Boys School. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now celebrating Top School for Infrastructure and Academic Excellence in Howrah. The number 1 rank was secured by Dhun Techno School. Congratulations. Joining us is Tiasha Saha, Principal, Akash Vincent, Admin in Charge, Akshat Tiwari, Junior Director, Ayush Singh, Junior Director, and Debjani Paul, Director. Congratulations. The next award is for CISCE Board in South Kolkata, and number 1 rank secured by G.D. Birla Center for Education. Please join us on stage, Mr. Craig Anthony Lucas, Principal, Mrs. Preeta Sen, Vice Principal, Mrs. Aparajita Ghosh, Headmistress, Junior School, Mrs. Kinori Roy, Coordinator, Senior School, Mr. Chandra Prakash Pandey, Coordinator, Senior School, Ms. Suman Sarda, Coordinator, Middle School, and Ms. Madhumita Datta, Coordinator, Junior School. Category, rank 2, secured by Mahadevi Birla Shishu Vihar. Joining us on stage to receive the award, Mrs. Sonali Sarkar, Principal, Mrs. Karishma Surana, Headmistress, Ms. Minakshi Basu, Headmistress, Mrs. Chandrani Mukherjee, Coordinator, Senior School, Mrs. Gurbinder Kaur, Middle School. The number 1 rank, ladies and gentlemen, Ruby Park Public School. Joining us, Ms. Sampurna Mukherjee, the Senior Secondary Level Representative, and Dr. Shib Sankar Datta, HOD, Physics. And in the same category, ladies and gentlemen, also securing #1 rank is Jyotirmoy Public School, Shonarpur. We have here with us this afternoon Mr. Sushant Das, Principal, Mr. Joydeep Mitra, Vice Principal, and Ms. Tini Chaudhary, Manager, Marketing. Let me just request audience members to kindly not stand in the center aisle to take pictures as it is blocking the cameraman. Request you to take your pictures from the left or right hand side. Thank you. Next up, I would like to say thank you very much to Saurav. And we would now move into the next set of awards. Thank you, Saurav, for doing us the honors. And let me now invite Femina Miss India 2026 first runner-up, Raj Nandini Pawar, to join us on stage to hand out the next set. Now, India celebrates as Raj Nandini Pawar is crowned Femina Miss India 2026 first runner-up at the 61st edition of the prestigious pageant held on April 2026 in Bhubaneswar. Now, her achievement marks a historic moment for Maharashtra, bringing the state back into the Femina Miss India top 3 after decades. A multifaceted talent, model. Yes, keep the applause coming in, ladies and gentlemen. She's a model, she's an actor, she's a state-level dancer, and an athlete who embodies the strength, grace, and cultural spirit of Maharashtra. Now, she stands today as a symbol of dedication, versatility, and modern Indian ambition, carving her path with purpose and poise and creating a remarkable legacy. So happy to have you here with us today. Thank you. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, now we are celebrating the #1 boarding school in West Bengal. Congratulations to Himali Boarding School, Kurseong. Joining us, Mr. Robindra Kumar Subha, Director, and Mr. Rajendra Prasad, Senior Coordinator. Now we are celebrating CISE board in North 24 Parganas. The #1 rank secured by St. Augustine's Day School, Barakpur. Congratulations. And thank you to our presenters one more time. Wow, what an amazing afternoon it has been. Let me take this moment to invite all of the award rankers back to the stage for the group photograph. And of course, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we wrap up this unforgettable celebration of excellence extraordinaire. Can we have one last final resounding round of applause for everybody here who secured a ranking? It's been absolutely amazing. Congratulations. And truly incredible afternoon that it has shaped out to be. We look forward to creating many more unforgettable moments with all of you next year. And as we sign off, a big thank you to Femina for making this event exactly what it was. Thank you one more time to our sponsors, Knowledge Partners, Kolkata Society for Cultural Heritage, and SPK Jain Futuristic Academy for support and enthusiasm right from the word go. Now, this journey has not just come to an end, it is in fact just beginning. Today, let us all be inspired by success. Let us carry this energy, this spirit forward with us.